dti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute. Technical skills for development.
Marwa wengia mwancho muligire Getembe TV rituko neria Alhamisi. Karibu sana sekionga chinse 10 chiabono margoba jenkuru kwa Matilda Obaigwa vene nyaboke akoretera iga asinchira yebimanyiriro nechibija chiko wikira asinchira ingikira neriogi wetira asere Kevin Ongerio mwancho muligireria nekiro tocho cha kekionga chinsemo cha Facebook masemo na chinsemo cha YouTube AMO chaka okorwa ase county ya Kisii niko bono rituko ria rero chinsa chia mwambia abamenyi bekinyoro kia irianyi ege gutoka amabuko sublocation nigo bono babuka na konyoro mugaka Richard Ogoti mbaka huyo bwe miaka 55 gesungeti asomote wikirangwa ati uyole chimita emia kurwa ase nyumba yae ayaga niga gukorekana ritukirimo rioka magiga ya mumuro mwabo gusiri ubugima bwae uyo konyora uri umuroire kurengana nabo amate nigo batebire buna nigo nyagusira Richard nabo igo banchaine na mumuro uyo mwabo uyo sireti ubugima bwae engana bono abange banyarwichanera nabo igo gwikase chinseme icho nabo igo ase umugambi bw'orugongorwo manyekanete una Hudson Monari nere anyara wika aroro nabo igo kuboria abasacha banyara gusanga ebirengerero byabo andake nonye nekero bayengeirwe nebirengerero
mbaka igarwara aka lakini gakora go chagasire chimaine ona tokamotiga maate ki bosongo ona igora batwarenge no yo minto byari chati Ogoti atwaye kona karoberi ngaki yo mintasira na abantu ba minto nkaiga na batwarenge bakage kamagoro abana no arenga bwasa matanga itware ale ona karua gachakarara ona munara tirinde bono mambire na ria ikachinsa umwana naro yo minto tabangani gabo komotebi ngano ndakorigyo bwate bese yaye na kubaraga bwasa matanga na rinda acha bono koreke bono ringo cha gwakirwe siminga yaya ngayo ngabatebi ono nje no ndai ngagoteba yaya oyo tokire mata ndugu yana Richard Ogoti nere no aitete
bono mami na bokire nonna igure bono ngakai alisi kuachiete nanda mangana aro kaniroro hinki ana ndi gote umuigu na ndo uriyo ndo mwabo konyo bale komonera baru ari tamu nero oje yenge nengirie umote igoro twaba no gukumya nona ndi twansire sabari gocha twaikire nkaga iga twanyonekene
Arieta engoro kwa farini ende kasenyasa ababanyoriro obokong na into na batore no moitano monene egekogera korugoro buna twarenge nere no twarenga monere mbaka endagera tukarosia karibuya bone kero twatokire bono mambi buna bonyorire eke kyanyorire kabage komonyora twabeire no gukumya konene na into na batwichanite bune family buna ya nararia yanyorire ga gutonyora
asa marieta yonkuru kwa Hudson Magoma Monari omo chief irianyi location Ibajo division Masaba South sub county tukoria rero igo twaboka nakirwe simino motuleti ogonde binga omusacha yo mubwe miaka ya gutugo kwa Richard Mbaka otokanire kengentete chiatua korumwaye na agwo yo bwengentete mumuro mwabona urwarire na igasirete igwe bokira igoro agasirera bosongo na are mochari bosongo ono noyo nere Ntoma yetinga ne birengera libiria iganga mumuro mwabosire igo banchaine sana. Ere okolege kole kibono mambia. Igo nabona ika agua mochioyo. Nanyora ngane kene eyo minto Richard nabo esongeti ase kerangwati. Kere mwabo chiatwa gochimate iga. Korwaguo na uniform aba sigari baramasha omocies. Nande buna togo kwana iga babeira baya bachire no bare ground. Omobero rusi gwororo oirwe gucha mochari. Tuganyete obotuki bonde ng'anki kiagerete. Egento ndatebia abantu baminte especially abasacha. Nkeringa ekero bwatari ng'ana. Osekero bwatamagwasa ndonzi. Tiga gwasanga na abande. Ose no nyentu gwatorigia nabo konyoranga ora ebika ng'aling'ana neri nene. Lakini onyorenga neri ng'ana kere gwasangire n'abantu liakeire.
Wancho murigire museneta wa kaunti ya Nairobi oyorabeire omuriki omonene bw'ikiama kia ODM asemia kemenge bono niko rituko ria rero anyara gusanga naboriki bomang'ana amaya magiga abo rituko rigoro kurarigwa buna taguche kugendera ku omuriki omonene ase kiama ekio koreng'ana n'omosike Edwin Sifuna nigo atebire ere nonye nabo nonye obotutukano bugendete koneki waso obotenene bw'ikiama ekio nigarachi kugendera ku bomwegenwa nabo igo nagendere gutigara kuba omuriki bw'ikiama ekio oyochorire kigima nabo igo kiratebire buna taguchia kubwatisia serikali ya broad based.
As far as internal differences in opinion go, my only cry is that I have refused and I oppose any plans and schemes within the party to support President William Ruto's re-election, because I have held and continue to hold the firm position that this country cannot afford another 5 years of this expensive, divisive, incompetent and disastrous Ruto misadventure. This month marks the beginning of my 9th year as SG of ODM. I am the longest serving individual in that position. To serve that long at the feet of the enigmatic Raila Odinga needed one to summon all reservoirs of wisdom from all possible sources, but most importantly, to remain a true and loyal student of the great icon. In recent times, many respected personalities within the movement have reached out to me and the rest of the leadership, seeking a middle ground of unity, at least until the National Delegates Convention is called. I may not mention all of them, but the party trustees, and they know themselves, as well as Mama Ida Odinga and Her Excellency Ruth Odinga, the women representative for Kisumu, among others, have worked tirelessly to try and unite the party and renew the spirit of Raila in the party. But it seems the rest of the leadership, answering to instructions from elsewhere, has been unable to embrace dialogue. As I said in Busia, Raila did not raise cowards. He did not teach us to run away from hardship or challenges, but to confront them head-on. Our party constitution places a responsibility on us to fight for ODM, and fight we shall. Through all lawful means, we shall fight for this great institution until the very end. We will challenge every illegality in the courts of law and in the court of public opinion. Surrender is not an option for us. I remain a loyal member and the duly elected Secretary General of the ODM party. I remain committed to the struggle for a fair, just and democratic Kenya. As I navigate this period, I ask for your prayers and goodwill, but most importantly, for all of you to remain vigilant in guarding the freedoms that Raila Odinga taught us never to compromise over. We are the generation that will reach Kana, as envisaged by the late Raila Amolo Odinga. Nothing will distract us from this endeavor. I am grateful to all of you for all the messages of support, and I want to assure you that we will be back to the grassroots, bigger and more energized, beginning this Sunday in Kitengela. Thank you very much.
Nechinga kecho okwana kora sensemeyo nikubono omobunge o Embakasi East omosike Babu Wino na irabono hanyara kuhorokia ugotagokirwa kwaye igoro yokobunwa kwa machiko ayo akubekwa ase ebyama o imensi ya Kenya kubwa muno nekiratebire machiko tarabaga kubwatigwa ase kiamekyo gya ODM nekiratebire nonye igikaro ekyo kyarengeri tukore igoro tikyarenge igikaro ose nigo kyarenge igikaro kitarenge kubwatia arichiko nekiratebire bakurwanirwa asingencho bagotema kurigia nabo kwamiriria serikali abune nchereyemo yokurigia oburai obuya.
The illegal removal of Sifuna from office is not taken on a light note by this team, and I want to condemn the leaders who did this. We know what Baba stood for. Baba stood for justice. Baba stood for fair hearing and trial. And the meeting that took place in Mombasa was an illegal meeting. That was a kangaroo meeting that was set up to remove the current Secretary General of ODM, Edwin Sifuna, from office. I want to state that these leaders were seen at one point in Mombasa taking sacred oath to uphold and protect the party constitution, the same constitution that they are violating. There was no proper procedure that was followed. And I want to state that there is no way that illegal office holders can remove a legal office holder, SecGen, from office. Lastly, I want to state that the only mistake Sifuna committed and the only mistakes that we are committing is to fight for the downtrodden, to fight for the forgotten in this society, to fight for the less privileged in Kenya, to fight for jobs to be given to our youth, to fight against the high cost of living that is affecting Kenyans in this nation. These are the only crimes that we are committing. And I want to assure you that we are going to fight. The war has been done, the war has been declared, a line has been drawn. If you are on our side, you are on our side. If you are on the other side, fight on the other side. But this is not going to stop anytime soon.
Wanje murigirire kubatikana ni ingane yuno kwenyore una nigo kigambiro kyanyare gutuguterare kuruswa kwa Edwin Sifuna una umunyakirugo una umurike monene kwikyama gya ODM na gotigana nayo ase obulendi bwoime nigo mawaziri obulendi bwoime omuske Kipchumba Murkomen ritkulyarera nyarakoroka busyo bwebunge na ukwanira inchira obulendi bwogendera tutingiwa na serikali yaye omuske William Ruto chingaki echo nigo anyara gukwana buna ebitaseni by'abanyanyimbo byabire bikorosiwa na bwigo kwagacho ange n'abananchi ilyo kwana na obokoreri na bwigo kwanire ngana y'abakenya abo bagendete gusiria magimabo asokoirwa kungainwa koegwe mirimo asenseri ya Russia nekiratebire no bolendi naro wetrase chinchira guse mitandao yekerero naro mbogendere gotingwa wetera amachiko ayo serikali yabekire.
We are also steadfast in our operationalization of administrative units in order to enhance security, boost public service, accessibility, and widen citizen participation. On this note, may I in a special way thank you, honorable members, for your continued collaboration with us in using the National Government Constituency Development Fund and to basically celebrate the Court of Appeal decision on the NGCDF, Mr. Speaker. As a very firm supporter of NGCDF, I celebrate the court's decision, and I believe it was the right decision for development of this country. And I thank the honorable members for building administrative offices and police stations. Let us continue in this spirit, and let's work together to enhance greater infrastructure for security of our country. An emerging threat is that of vulnerable Kenya youth who are being lured and exploited by unscrupulous recruitment agencies with promises of lucrative jobs, foreign jobs, only to be conscripted in fighting wars in foreign land. The government is working with relevant agencies to track down and prosecute these agencies while enhancing public awareness campaign. And Mr. Speaker, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, will soon be visiting Russia as part of government efforts to deal with this issue, as he updated the cabinet yesterday, the day before yesterday. Our fight against terrorism and violent extremism remains our priority. Our intelligence-led operations therefore continue to disrupt planned activities and keeping the country safe. We have sustained arrests and prosecutions of terror suspects, enhanced border surveillance and intelligence coordination, and increased our capacity to monitor and counter extremist online propaganda and recruitment. Cyber-enabled crimes continue to create new vulnerabilities, including online fraud, identity theft, SIM swap fraud, hacking, and financial scams. To address these threats, the government has strengthened the DCI Cybercrime Unit, enhanced forensic and digital investigation capabilities, established interagency cyber threat monitoring mechanism.
Na senganeyo yayo mwaziri Kipchumba Murkomen noto ukorire kiunga chinse komechabo no muragwa bukorene enyorerayo na yanda mwangi asenjera ingikirano ikoraga chinsa ibere na boigo chinsa inye chirituko olia rero nkuru kwa Matilda oyibo baigwa Veni Nyaboke kuro asebi manyerero nere Kevin Ongeri kuro ase studio kabere kenda kubwatia emirobero ya Getembe TV chinga kichionse kiagera nakyo ekiunga kya bomusi.
Ebuna bono sipara tumogaba no itero temire Korwasa eto bisia kene kyama gano temire Ebuna bono chibara cheito omogaba no itoni gagasaine Kosomi abana chizukuru omogaba na narwe paseri Anyagetario temire Ramariogo tarikolema Anyagetario mentire Sabesi yabeire rengia
Asomorobilio bwokorigereria na kumurekera magendero ase kaunti ya Kisii insi omugabana bwe kaunti ye Paul Simbarati nigorero tugucha kumurekera bunge yabo basi ase wodi ya Nyacheki ensemo ichisemi ekerasi gya kera ECDE nigo kiagachirwe boikiranu ekerasi kya mugonga ECDE nigo kiagachirwe boikiranu Mubamba VTC Computer Lab amonege sima kia mache. Abananchi nigo beso kirie korwa ebirengereri byabo ase bamwakire mbyamono